Now that we've got our clay centered, I want to flatten it out on top. All the while the clay is going to be coming out to the side, just push it in with your hand. And while I'm doing this, flattening it on the top, my finger is also finding the center here. So when I go to do my plunge, I know exactly where it is. So I try to press down my pinky a little bit. It just helps with efficiency. And so there, we've got our flat piece. We're ready to do a plunge with our thumbs. You find the center, plunge down, all the while my pinky's down there, and my pinky knows how far my thumb's going for some reason. In relation to the pinky, you don't want to go too deep, and especially with bowls, you want to leave a lot of room on the bottom to trim a nice foot on there. So don't worry about having a thick bottom, because we're going to trim it. Put a nice foot on there so the bowls really stand up. You start pulling out like that to even it up. All right?